Hello, fellow feline enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the enchanting world of one of the most distinctive and delightful cat breeds, the Scottish Fold. These felines are the superstars of the cat kingdom, known for their unique appearance and playful nature. Their iconic folded ears, which we'll explore in detail, give them an adorable owl-like look. And believe me, once you've felt the love and affection of a Scottish Fold, you'll be smitten. So get ready, because we're about to reveal 10 captivating facts about these amazing cats that will leave you wanting more. All right, let's address the elephant, or should I say the owl, in the room. Those ears. A Scottish Fold's calling card is undoubtedly those adorable folded ears. It's what makes them look like they're constantly pondering the mysteries of the universe. But what causes this unique feature? Well, it all comes down to genetics. Scottish Folds possess a dominant gene mutation that affects the cartilage in their ears. This mutation causes the ear cartilage to fold forward, giving them their distinctive look. Now, not all Scottish Folds are born with folded ears. Kittens are born with straight ears, and the folding, if it's going to happen, usually begins around 3 to 4 weeks of age. The degree of folding can also vary. Some cats have a single fold, while others have a double or even triple fold, where the ears fold so tightly that they lie flat against the head. This range in ear types is what makes each Scottish Fold unique, and let's be honest, irresistibly cute. But remember, it's important to handle those ears with care. They're delicate and deserve a gentle touch. As their name suggests, Scottish Fold cats hail from, you guessed it, Scotland. Their story began back in the 1960s on a farm in Perthshire. A white barn cat named Susie was the first known cat with the distinctive folded ears. A shepherd named William Ross and his wife Mary were captivated by Susie's unique look and decided to breed her with a British Shorthair, and thus began the journey of the Scottish Fold breed. The breed gained recognition in the United Kingdom in the early 1960s, but faced some controversy due to concerns about ear health. However, dedicated breeders worked diligently to address these concerns, and the Scottish Fold eventually gained championship status in various cat associations worldwide. From those humble beginnings on a Scottish farm, the Scottish Fold has captured the hearts of cat lovers across the globe. They've gone from a rare and unusual breed to cherished companions known for their gentle nature and playful antics. And as we delve deeper into the world of the Scottish Fold, you'll discover that their journey is just as fascinating as their appearance. Okay, we've talked about those adorable ears and their Scottish heritage, but let's get to the heart of the matter. What's it like to share your life with a Scottish Fold? In a word, amazing. Scottish Folds are known for their sweet and affectionate personalities. They're not your typical aloof feline. These cats crave attention and love to be involved in everything their humans are doing. Don't be surprised if you find your Scottish Fold curled up on your lap while you're reading a book or supervising your every move as you make dinner. They're curious and playful, often entertaining their humans with their silly antics. One of the things I love most about Scottish Folds is their adaptability. They're easygoing cats that can thrive in a variety of environments, making them great companions for families, singles, and seniors alike. Whether you're looking for a cuddle buddy, a playful companion, or simply a furry friend to brighten your day, the Scottish Fold's loving and adaptable nature is sure to win you over. Fact 4. The genetics of a fold. Understanding the science behind the cuteness. We've established that Scottish Folds are undeniably adorable, but it's important to understand the genetics behind those folded ears. As we touched upon earlier, the distinctive fold is the result of an incomplete dominant gene. Now, what does that mean exactly? Well, it means that a cat only needs to inherit one copy of the folded ear gene from one parent to develop folded ears. If a kitten inherits 2 copies of the gene, one from each parent, it can lead to health problems. Responsible breeders are aware of this and take precautions to avoid breeding 2 Scottish Folds with folded ears. They typically breed a Scottish Fold with a cat that has straight ears, such as a British Shorthair or an American Shorthair. This helps to ensure that kittens inherit only one copy of the folded ear gene, reducing the risk of health issues. It's crucial to be aware of these genetic factors when considering a Scottish Fold as a pet. By understanding the science behind the cuteness, we can make informed decisions that prioritize the health and well-being of these incredible cats. Chapter 6. Grooming Goals. Keeping your Scottish Fold looking flawless. Alright, let's talk grooming, folks. Maintaining your Scottish Fold's luxurious coat is key to keeping them looking and feeling their best. Now, the good news is that Scottish Folds are relatively low maintenance when it comes to grooming. Their short to medium length coat doesn't require excessive brushing, but a weekly once-over with a slicker brush will help to remove loose hair and prevent mats. Pay special attention to those folded ears. Because of their shape, they're prone to wax buildup and debris. Gently clean them once a week using a cotton ball and a veterinarian-approved ear cleaner. Regular nail trims are also a must. Overgrown nails can be uncomfortable for your cat and can even lead to infections. If you're not comfortable trimming your cat's nails yourself, you can always take them to a groomer or veterinarian. Remember, grooming isn't just about aesthetics. It's an essential part of responsible cat ownership. By incorporating regular grooming into your routine, you'll strengthen the bond with your Scottish Fold and ensure they stay happy and healthy for years to come. Fact 5. Grooming Tips. Keeping your Scottish Fold looking flawless. Scottish Folds are known for their unique appearance, and maintaining their coat and overall look requires some attention. Regular grooming is essential to keep their fur clean and free of mats. Brushing your Scottish Fold at least once a week helps to remove loose hair and prevent tangles. Pay special attention to their ears, as the folded shape can trap dirt and wax. Regular nail trimming is also important to prevent overgrowth and discomfort. Make grooming a positive experience by using gentle techniques and rewarding your cat with treats. Keep an eye out for any skin issues or parasites, and consult your vet if you notice anything unusual. A balanced diet and regular playtime also contribute to a healthy coat and overall well-being. Remember, a well-groomed cat is a happy cat. By staying on top of grooming, you can keep your Scottish Fold looking flawless and feeling great. One of the most common concerns potential cat owners have is, what health issues do they face? And it's a valid concern. We want our beloved feline companions to be as healthy as possible. So, what common health issues should you be aware of with Scottish Folds? One of the most notable issues is a genetic condition called osteochondrodysplasia. This condition affects the development of cartilage and bone, leading to joint pain and mobility issues. Regular veterinary checkups are crucial to monitor and manage this condition. Additionally, maintaining a healthy weight and providing joint supplements can help alleviate some of the discomfort. By being proactive and attentive to their needs, you can help your Scottish Fold lead a comfortable and happy life. Remember, with the right care, your Scottish Fold can still enjoy a fulfilling life despite these challenges. One of the important aspects to consider when adopting a Scottish Fold is their lifespan. On average, Scottish Folds live between 11 to 15 years, though some can live even longer with proper care. Their longevity can be influenced by factors such as genetics, diet, and overall health care. Regular veterinary checkups, a balanced diet, and a loving environment can contribute to a longer, healthier life for your Scottish Fold. It's also important to be aware of potential health issues, such as joint problems, that can affect their quality of life. With the right care and attention, your Scottish Fold can be a loving companion for many years. So, if you're considering bringing a Scottish Fold into your home, be prepared for a long-term commitment to their well-being. If you've ever spent time observing Scottish Folds, you've probably noticed their unique and often hilarious sitting postures. One pose in particular has earned them the nickname the Buddha cat. I'm talking about the infamous Buddha sit, where Scottish Folds sit upright with their legs stretched out in front and their paws resting on their belly. This adorable posture is not only amusing to watch, but also serves a practical purpose. Due to their folded ears, Scottish Folds may experience some balance issues. The Buddha sit allows them to maintain stability and comfort, especially during those long cat naps. So the next time you catch your Scottish Fold striking a pose, don't be alarmed. They're simply embracing their inner Zen master and finding a comfortable way to relax. One of the most endearing traits of Scottish Fold cats is their unique sitting posture. Often referred to as the Buddha sit, this position showcases their relaxed and laid-back nature. With their legs stretched out and paws resting on their belly, they look incredibly adorable and almost human-like. This sitting style is not only cute, but also highlights their flexible and adaptable nature. Whether they're lounging around or observing their surroundings, their unique posture adds to their charm and appeal. I hope this fact has given you a deeper appreciation for these extraordinary felines. If you enjoyed learning about the Scottish Fold's sitting posture and want to see more amazing cat content, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future feline adventures. Until next time, keep on loving those cats. Pause to S. Before we wrap up, let's delve into some more unique traits and behaviors of Scottish Fold cats that make them stand out. Aside from their charming sitting posture, these cats are known for their playful and curious nature. They love engaging in interactive play and often display a kitten-like enthusiasm even in adulthood. Another fascinating behavior is their tendency to talk to their owners. Scottish Folds have a soft, sweet voice and are not shy to use it to communicate their needs or simply to get attention. Their vocalizations, combined with their expressive eyes, make them highly communicative pets. Additionally, Scottish Folds are known for their love of heights. You'll often find them perched on top of shelves or climbing cat trees, observing their kingdom from above. This behavior showcases their agile and adventurous spirit. Lastly, their affectionate nature is something every Scottish Fold owner cherishes. These cats are known for forming strong bonds with their human companions, often following them around the house and seeking cuddles and attention. Their loyalty and loving demeanor make them an ideal pet for those looking for a close feline friend. So, not only are Scottish Folds adorable with their unique physical traits, but their behaviors and personalities make them truly special companions. If you enjoyed learning about these fascinating traits, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. There's always more to discover about our feline friends. Until next time, keep on cherishing those cats. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of Scottish Fold cats. From their adorable folded ears to their playful and affectionate nature, Scottish Folds truly are a unique and beloved breed. We hope you enjoyed learning about their fascinating traits and behaviors as much as we enjoyed sharing them with you. Remember, every cat has its own personality and quirks, making each one special in its own way. If you're considering adding a Scottish Fold to your family, we hope this video has given you a glimpse into the joy and companionship they can bring into your life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more videos about your favorite feline friends. Your support helps us bring you more great content. Until next time, keep cherishing those cats and celebrating the unique bond we share with our furry companions. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.